Good morning, YouTube. What's up, y'all? Today we're going to go over combo string. So given two strings, A and B, return a string of the form short plus long plus short, with the shorter string on the outside and the longer string on the inside. The strings will not be the same length, but they may be empty. For example, length 0. So here, hello and hi. What's the bigger string? If you said hello, you are absolutely correct. How about hi with hello? Again, hello is. But in this case, B would be. In this case, B would be the bigger length. In this case, A would be the bigger length because that is the order of parameters. How about A and B? Then the A would be bigger, and the variable name A would have a larger length. Specifically 3, and B would have a length of 1. So we just want to return the lower length string on the outside and the higher length string on the inside. So first, how do we calculate the length of A? Oh, I'm going to Python now. Length equals len A. That's not a good name for length. I think we should just call it len of A. Cool name? I hope so. Len of B is pretty much the same thing, except we are going over the length of B. Now, how do you find the max of these two lengths? Well, Python has a word called max, and you can compare it with two numbers. The first number is A, and the second number is B. So whichever one is bigger, right? That's the max. That should be the long one. The short one should be the minimum, or the other one. So we can say here, long, and then you can pretty much copy this line. Oops, that's the wrong one. Fortunately, this is not an IDE, no editor, so you have to work with that. Do you want me to make future videos, by the way, in an actual editor and see how that kind of works and the features that editors involve? I'd be happy to go over those. In fact, I'm thinking that we will most likely go over those in more advanced videos. So yeah, instead of this, we need the min, right? The minimum. That's another word. Min and max. These are two functions, built-in functions that take in integers. You can even take in an array and find the biggest number in the array. So Python has made that really cool. But really here we're only using it for integers. And of course, I think you can have more than 2 parameters. I'll have to confirm that, but yeah, I think that can be done. So this one won't be called long. This will be called short. Short and long. And then, we'll be returning short plus long plus short, right? Basically this. That should do it. Uh-oh, what did we do wrong? I am so sorry. It's taking the minimum number and saving it as an integer. So that's another thing. Sleepyhead I am. Length of A, that's an int. And a B, that's an int. Long, that's an int. Short, that's an int. Short plus long plus short. Int plus int plus int. It's a mathematical operation, not a concatenation, right? So how do we do this? I think we can say something like long equals. So long equals the max length of A and B, and then this is really weird, but if we can say if long equals len of B. So if it chose len of A, which is our variable, then we know that we can even change the variable type as a variable long equals, and we can just say A. Else long equals B. And actually, what's actually really cool is we don't really need this then, because if long equals A, then what must short be? B. And if long equals B, what must short be? A. Let's try this. Oh, invalid syntax. What did we do wrong? What did we do wrong? Equals is equal to. Double equals is equal to. 1 equals declaration of a variable, saving it under a variable. And you can't do that in an if. and I love seeing that star. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.